We'll practice analyzing uniform circular motion by finding period, speed, centripetal acceleration, and force. Here's the problem. In an investigation, a 0.40 kilogram tetherball on a 1.2 meter string completes 15 revolutions in 12 seconds. Analyze the relationships between period, speed, centripetal acceleration, and force by determining each quantity. First, let's find the frequency and period. Frequency is the number of revolutions per second, so 15 divided by 12 gives 1.25 hertz. Period is the reciprocal of frequency, so 1 divided by 1.25 gives 0.80 seconds. Next, calculate the speed. Speed equals circumference divided by period. 2 pi times radius 1.2 gives 7.54, divided by 0.80 gives 9.42 meters per second. Now, find the centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is speed squared divided by radius. 9.42 squared is 88.7, divided by 1.2 gives 73.9 meters per second squared. Finally, determine the centripetal force. Centripetal force is mass times centripetal acceleration. 0.40 times 73.9 gives 29.6 newtons. So the period is 0.80 seconds, speed is 9.4 meters per second, centripetal acceleration is 74 meters per second squared, and centripetal force is 30 newtons. Remember, in uniform circular motion, period is the reciprocal of frequency, speed is circumference over period, centripetal acceleration is v squared over r, and centripetal force is mass times that acceleration.